How to make a jump scare in Roblox Studio. Add screen GUI in starter GUI. Name it JumpScare GUI. Add image label and add a jump scare image as desired. Set screen GUI enabled to false. Create a new part. Press anchor. Name it jump scare part. Set transparency to 1 and can collide to false. And place the part where you want it. This is the part that will cause a jump scare when the player walks through it. Add script to part. Writing the script. This script will cause a full-screen jump scare when the player walks past a set part for a split second. Active starts as false, meaning the jump scare is not currently happening. This event runs whenever something touches the part. Check if the object touched is a character, and jump scare is not already active. Jump scare is now active. The image will appear. You can add sound in jump scare part. Copy asset ID of the sound you want to put in sound. Or if you don't want the sound, you can delete this section of the script. And after 1 second, the image will disappear. And after another 2 seconds, the jump scare will reset so that it can happen again and again. If you want the jump scare to happen just once, you can delete this section of the script. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. Jump scare works, but not full screen. Go to screen and set ignore GUI inset to true to fix this issue. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.